Hello and welcome. I can fly a little further because I say it's got a built-in tracker, so I will find this one. Flies really well, this one does. Now it's too windy to fly, but it should be enough to test the cameras for a calmer day. So I'll put the videos on of both. Thanks for enjoying the video. I'll see you in the next one.